You know, one of the things that we learned when the market shifted and it was a very bad market for sellers during short sales was which deal to take, right? Because during short sales, we'd have multiple offers and you'd have to really decipher which deal has the best chance to get to the closing table. We have taken that strategy of figuring that out and taken it and put to our current market and our sellers. So we're able to go through all those multiple offers that we have. Sometimes we still are seeing 3 and 4 and 5 multiple offers and really looking at not just, you know, superficially at it, but we're looking at the lender. We're looking at the agent, the experience of the people on the team. We're looking at how bad does the buyer want this house?
Sure.
Because every deal has those bumps, right? There's always something to overcome.
It's real estate.
It's real estate. I mean, this is what we do every day. And so having somebody who will fight for the home of their dreams matters. And so often if we can have that buyer, we'll give them a chance. Now, obviously price has to be right, terms have to be right, and many times having the right lender is kind of that tipping point for at least us, for
Sure.
our decision. Is it somebody who has the reputation of hitting deadlines, having the best people on the team, the best experience, not just for the buyer, but for the seller, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And I think we can agree that what sellers can come up with in terms of a challenge when they're selling their home, and depending on the terms within that contract, when they go make an offer for the new home they like,
Sure.
that seller and that agent are going to closely look at the terms they have on the sale. So it's so important to have a very short loan approval, loan commitment time frame.
Yes.
It's so important to have the appraisal done in a very quick period of time.
Right.
So we can remove a lot of the contingencies, so when they go make their offer, they're taken very seriously.
Yes, we actually don't have to sell one offer. We have to sell 2 offers,
Right.
right? Because we're obviously submitting an offer on the home they want to buy, but almost every agent's going to say, that's great. It's contingent upon the sale, the closing of your property, which we want to do to protect our client. Let me see that contract.
Yep.
So now we're having to really make 2 presentations on why you should take our offer. And so you're right. Having everything perfect really gives us that competitive advantage. We win, and I know you do too, we win against cash all the time.
Yeah.
You know, they say cash is king. Well, yes, you know, everybody likes cash. However, if you are really experienced and know how to put the right strategy together with the right lender, you can win against cash. We do it all the time.
Oh yeah, and we work very closely together on that. In fact, it was just 2 months ago where we worked on 2 or 3 different transactions up against cash. And having those short time frames, I believe one of the transactions was a cash offer that was on the table, a 21-day closing, and we were to arrange a similar offer with same price. However, we were able to close in 10 days.
Yeah.
And being able to close quicker and give them terms, you know, sometimes is our best way, and we were able to secure that transaction over competing.
Yeah, we you know, cash doesn't scare us when we're representing a buyer, and we certainly love cash when we're representing the seller. However, we understand the right lender. Once again, I will take one of your deals all day long because you do what you say. You've got great people on your team, and it really does make it easy on me as the listing agent, and allows me to be successful with our seller, which is the most important thing.